Hi everyone, this is Radha. Welcome back to my channel CYR is English. Dear viewers, in previous video we have learned subordinating conjunctions of cause and effect, isn't it? So in this video I am going to teach you subordinating conjunctions of contrast and concession and how to use them in sentences. So if you are ready, let's get started. What are contrasting conjunctions? While and whereas conjunctions are used to express contrast. Contrast means difference between two statements. That's it. Now let's see. While. Let's have a look at these examples. While my sister prefers chocolate, I prefer cake. Okay, see, in this sentence, while my sister prefers chocolate is subordinating clause. I prefer cake is an independent clause. This sentence is started with subordinating clause. So, we have used comma here. Yes, when the sentence starts with subordinating clause, we must use comma after the subordinating clause, or we can say before the independent clause. Okay. While my sister prefers chocolate, here my sister prefers, means she likes chocolates. I like cake. It means I prefer cake. So here this shows the contrast between two clauses. In such a situation, I will use while subordinating conjunctions. Next, let's have a look at this. I like English while my brother likes Kannada. Okay. In this case, this sentence is started with an independent clause. Hence, we need not to use comma here. While my brother likes Kannada, I like English. My brother likes Kannada. So this is the contrast, the difference between two people tastes. Okay. See, in this situation we will use the subordinating conjunction while to express the contrast between two statements. Now, let's have a look at this. Whereas. Whereas is also used in the sense of while, and even this also expresses the contrast of two statements or two facts. Hari is tall and bold, whereas his brother is short and lazy. See, you can notice that Hari is tall and bold. See here, this is the character or the qualities of Hari, whereas his brother is short and lazy. See, we can find the difference qualities than the first class. We can find the different qualities or different characters in second class in opposite of the first class. See, this is what we call contrast. So in such situation we will use whereas, subordinating conjunction. Let's have a look at this. Whereas I like blue, she likes green. Here in this case, this sentence is started with subordinating clause. See, whereas I like blue, she likes green. So here this shows that the contrast between two people tastes. Okay, I like blue, she likes green. So in this way we can use while and whereas to express contrast between two facts or two ideas or two statements. Now let's move on to subordinating conjunctions of concession. We use though, although and even though to say that something occurred in spite of something else. See, as the statement suggests, we use these conjunctions though, although and even though to say that something occurred in spite of something else. See, this is very important. In spite of something else. In the place of something else, it can be an incident, a fact or an idea. In spite of something else, it means though something else. Again, see, to say that again something will be occurred. In spite of something else, something will be occurred. So we will use that two clauses here to express these concession here. And let's see further. Next, though and although are interchangeable. See, you can notice here we can use though and although as interchangeably while even though adds an extra emphasis to statement. See, if you want to give more focus or an extra emphasis, we will use even though. To make the sentence strong, we will use this even though. Okay, and the point to be remembered is we will use this though mostly in informal English and in spoken English. We will use although and even though mostly in formal English and written English. So this is very important. We don't use much this though conjunction in written form. Okay, now let's have a look at these examples. First two sentences are about usage of though. Then these two sentences are about usage of although. Again, these two sentences about usage of even though. Okay. First one, though he was ill, he attended the meeting. See, as per this statement, though he was ill, this is in spite of something else. Okay. Though he was ill, he attended the meeting. See, this is that something occurred. Something occurred. Though he was ill, though something else, something occurred. So this is what we call concession. Okay. Though he was ill. So he is already suffering from something health issues. He attended the meeting. That's it. And you can notice that this sentence is started with subordinating clause. Okay. Though he was ill, this is subordinating clause. He attended the meeting is an independent clause. So when the sentence starts with subordinating clause, we must use comma here. Next, he was failed though he worked hard. Say again, he was failed. See, this sentence is started with an independent clause. This though conjunction can be taken place at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of a sentence. See, in both ways it can be used. He was failed though he worked hard. See here, he worked hard but he was failed. So in this way we can use this though, although and even though can be used either at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. Okay. Now let's move on to the usage of although. Okay. We went out although it was raining. See here, this subordinating clause has taken place in the middle of the sentence. Okay. We went out although it was raining. This is subordinating clause. We went out is an independent clause. Okay. It was raining actually. Though it was raining, we went out. Okay. So this is called concession. Next. Although the kitchen is small, it is well designed. Okay. The kitchen is small. Actually, the kitchen is small, though it is well designed. Although the kitchen is small is subordinating clause. It is well designed is an independent clause. Okay. Now let's move on to usage of even though. See, as I told, even though is used to add an extra emphasis to statement. Even though I'm quite small, I can swim well. So, in this sentence, I'm going out right now even though it's raining. So, it's raining outside even though I'm going out right now. See, this is I'm going right now is an independent clause. Even though it's raining is dependent clause or subordinating clause. Okay, so in this way we can use though, although and even though in sentences. So dear viewers, by this video I hope you are able to use the subordinating conjunctions of contrast and concession, such as whereas, while, though, even though and although in sentences. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.